Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll see how we can rename the schedules based on the Dynamo scripts, and as well how we can slice the names of the schedules as well. Probably it'll be technical terms right now for you, but let's see what I'm talking about in this particular session. So let's start. So right now I'm in my Revit, and I also open my Dynamo script that will be creating from scratch. I already have that Dynamo script, but in this particular video, we'll start to create the Dynamo script for the schedule renaming from scratch. Now, right here, we are having three different schedules. It does not matter what will be contained by the schedules, but I'm talking about the renaming part or the slicing part of the schedules in this particular video. Now, let's create one more schedule. I'm just duplicating this one, but you can create a new one. It does not matter. And how many schedules you are having, it also does not matter for this automation, right? Right now, I'm not renaming this one, but based on the Dynamo script, we'll rename this one. Okay, so please remember this. Now, let me open a new Dynamo script, and at the first place, I'll go for the manual one because it depends on which project you are running. Because if your project is very heavy and every time your Dynamo script is automated, uh, while running, so it'll be problematic for you. So always I will recommend to make it manual. Now at the first place, in Dynamo script, I just wanted to select all the schedules, right? So for that one, I just wanted to give the command to Dynamo to select the category for the schedules. So I'll just go for the categories right here, and I'll go for the schedules so that it'll select all the schedules in the project. So yeah, it's right here. Now, I just selected the category of the schedules, but if you know a little bit about the Dynamo, then we need to, select the elements of the category. So right now I'm just going for the all elements of the category, and I'll connect both of them. So I just selected the schedules category, and from the schedules category, I'm selecting all the elements of the categories. So if I'll run, I'll got all those four schedules that I have in my Revit. You can see this is the name of that schedule that we just duplicated. And now I just want to I just want to rename this one. Okay. So what I'll do is that I'll at the first place I'll go for element dot name so that I'll get the string of all the element names. Okay. Parallelly, I just want to see which parameter I need to modify, right? Because in Dynamo, I need to provide the parameter, and there are two ways. You can either search in Revit itself, what is the parameter name, or you can search by element dot parameters right here as well. So if I'll connect this one, and let me see which parameter we need to modify. So if I'll bit scroll down by searching with the name, so you'll see right here view name, and this is the same name. It does not matter right now, it's showing L0, right? But we need which index number? We need index number 3 because I'm just checking for this copy one, right? So remember this one, the index number is 3, right? So our work is done for element dot parameters. What our work was to check which parameter we need to modify. So it is view name. Now from right here, what we'll do is that I'll go for set parameter, right? Because sorry, parameter by name because I just wanted to rename this parameter of this particular schedule, right? So my element is now I just want to give the element, right? So for that one, I'll just go for index. So I'll just go for index number 3, right? Because I just want to go for that one. Please do not hesitate. In this particular session only, we'll be applying, the automation for multiple schedules as well. But right now, for your exercise, how we can do that thing, I'm just going for one particular schedule name. Okay, so I'll just go for this element. If I'll run it, you'll see that copy one has selected. So if I'll scroll this one a little bit, you can see this is the copy one. Now I just want to remove that copy one, or I just want to give a different name for this particular one. So this is my element. Now parameter name. So my parameter name, as we have rectified earlier, just That was view name, right? So please make sure you're typing your name properly in terms of uppercase, lowercase as well. So this is my parameter name and the value. Value means what what name you want to give. So I'm using code block right here as well, and the name I want to go for M1, for example. Let's go for capital M1, and I have assigned this one. If I'll run it now, it's done. It's shown done completed. If I'll go in my Revit, you'll see right it has changed to M1. Now let's go for one more step further. So let me add some more, text right here. So let me go for underscore 01 underscore 01. And in this one as well, let me go for underscore 02 underscore 01, like that way. Um, I'll tell you why I am doing that thing. Underscore 03, for example. And in this one, let me add underscore 01. Okay. So in these names, I have added some underscore 01, 03, like that way. And the purpose of doing that thing, for example, I just want to remove extra underscore. It means in these names, there should be only one underscore 01. Oh, sorry, not underscore 01 only, but only one underscore. And after that, one underscore 01, if there is any extra text is coming, it should be removed. It means this is fine for me because it's coming only one underscore 03, like that way. This is also fine. But in these two, I just wanted to remove this underscore 01 at the end, right? Because it has duplicated now. So for that one, I'm not going to give Dynamo that this is the index number. We have to rename that one. No, Dynamo itself will rectify which index number it is, and will adjust the names accordingly, whatever we are giving. So let me save this one. Let me go for 3, and let me close the Dynamo in the first place. Now, let me open. Why I'm doing this one? Because we have modified something in the Revit. So that I'm just closing the Dynamo and reopening the script again. Okay. And for that one, let me move this one at the left side because we got the names right here. If first of all, I'll just freeze this one so that it will not run. Now, if I'll run this one so that I'll get the actual names right now, whatsoever I have modified. And in these ones, I just want to see which string have multiple underscores. Okay, so for that one I use string occurrence node. Sorry, string occurrence node. So probably you will have that one. If not, I'll search. You can say count occurrence. Okay, this is my string and I'm searching for underscore, right? So I'll just go for code block and I'll paste underscore right here. Search for. So if I'll run this one, I'll get the count of underscores. So if your string does not have underscore as well, it'll show the count 0, 1, 2, 3, like that way. Okay. And what I'm thinking of, if my, as I mentioned earlier, one underscore is fine, but if there are multiple underscores, we need to rectify them. So what I'll do is that I'll go for greater than math node. And why I'm using this one, so for example, if this value is greater than 1, right? Is 0 fine, 1 fine, but if it is greater than 1, then I need to select them, right? So if I'll run this one, I got true values, these two values. If I'll go right here, which two values they are selecting? These top two that I need to select, right? So it will automatically select them. And after selecting, I'll go for my filter mask, and based on that one, I'll go for this is my mask, and I just want to select from this particular list. These my elements list. and I'll get those two elements, right? You can see end list. I just got those two elements, right? And I want to rename them. And how I'll rename them, I just slice the names because I'm not going to give each names one by one. No. So I just want to slice the names. But before than that, these are the elements, right? So I need to go for element dot name again so that I can get their names. Okay, now this is my string of the names and the number of the characters, how many characters you want to remove. So I'll just go for 3, and it's showing from left or right from where you want to remove. So I'll just go for -3. -3 means it will remove from right side. If I'll go for left, it will be +03. It means normal 03. Okay, so if I'll run this one, it'll be removing that and extra underscore 01, because underscore 01, there are three letters, right? Or the characters, whatsoever you will call it. So based on that one, I just giving 3. If those are 4, 5, 6, like that way, you can mention right here. Okay, now my names are sorted, so these are my values now. So I'll go for my values, this one. I can delete this one. Now, this, what we can say, the elements are also given to it. So these are my elements, right? Because I just selected these one, filter out these ones. So I'll just go from right here to element this one, and yeah, I can delete this one as well. View name, the parameter name is same, so I'm not changing this one. I'll unfreeze this one now because my dance script is done from my side. If I'll run it, it'll be run properly, and we are done. So if I'll go right here and Revit, I can check, okay, that underscore extra things has been removed from the schedule names. So that's how we can simply create an automation script if you are renaming the schedules. And when it'll be helpful if you are creating the sheets, and in the sheets, if you are creating the schedules as well, multiple schedules by automation as well. Another time you have added something to create the schedules and you want to modify your schedules names, where this particular dance script will help you. And there are multiple instances based on your project requirements. You can use this automation in your projects. So thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.